Welcome to NINGBO OEM Industry Manufacturer Limited, a trusted leader in precision parts, manufacturing with over 2 decades of industry experience. ISO 9001 to 2008 certified. We specialize in delivering all-in-one solutions for a wide range of industries. Let us show you what sets us apart. Our core capabilities include precision CNC machining, CNC turning, CNC milling, plastic injection molding, and more. From metal stamping to laser cutting, CNC bending, and robot welding, we bring your ideas to life with unmatched precision. Our sheet metal fabrication services ensure every component meets the highest quality standards. NINGBO OEM is more than just a manufacturer. We're your development partner. With a 4-member expert consulting team, we guide your projects from concept to completion, offering OEM ODM solutions tailored to your needs. Our experienced team ensures seamless communication and efficient execution. We work with a diverse range of materials, from stainless steel and aluminum to brass, copper, and plastics. No matter your requirements, we deliver custom solutions with exact precision. Our focus on quality management ensures your product meets or exceeds expectations. Precision is our promise. With plus or minus 0.05 millimeters tolerances, we deliver components that fit perfectly every time. Our ISO-certified quality system ensures 100% inspection before shipment. We use advanced tools like CNC machines too. Guaranteed accuracy and consistency. You need it done right and on time. NINGBO OEM is your partner. Our fast production cycles and flexible MOQs as low as 1 piece makes us the perfect choice for startups and Fortune 500 companies alike. With lead times of 25 to 50 days, we keep your projects on track. NINGBO OEM transforms your ideas into high-performance parts. Contact us today for innovative, reliable, and customized solutions. We look forward to building a successful partnership with you.